Your gut is like your body's engine. If it's not working smoothly, everything else gets thrown off: your mood, energy, immune system, even your skin. So let's look at the most effective, natural strategies to support healthy digestion, backed by science. First, chew your food properly. It might sound too simple, but digestion actually begins in the mouth. Chewing breaks down food into smaller pieces and mixes it with saliva, which contains digestive enzymes. If you rush through meals, you're skipping the first step of digestion, and that puts extra stress on your stomach and intestines. So slow down. Take smaller bites. Chew each mouthful about 20 to 30 times. This alone can significantly reduce bloating and indigestion. Second, drink water, but the right way. Hydration is key for smooth digestion, but gulping down lots of water right before or during meals can dilute stomach acid. Stomach acid is essential for breaking down proteins and killing harmful bacteria. Instead, sip water throughout the day and drink a glass about 30 minutes before your meal, not during it. Now let's talk about fiber, your digestive system's best friend. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps food move smoothly through the intestines. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, and your body needs both. Soluble fiber is found in oats, apples, and flax seeds. Insoluble fiber is found in vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Try to include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your meals to support regular, healthy bowel movements. But go slow. If your diet is low in fiber and you suddenly add a lot, you might feel more bloated. Increase fiber gradually, and always pair it with enough water. Now let's look at probiotics. These are good bacteria that live in your gut and help digest food, absorb nutrients, and fight off harmful microbes. A healthy gut microbiome supports everything from digestion to immunity to mental health. You can get probiotics from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. You can also take a probiotic supplement, but quality matters, so choose one with multiple strains and consult a healthcare professional if needed. Equally important are prebiotics, the food that feeds your good gut bacteria. Prebiotics are found in garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, and asparagus. Together, probiotics and prebiotics form a powerful combo to improve digestion and gut health. Another helpful tip is to move your body after eating. Even light activity like walking can help your digestive system process food more efficiently. A short 10 to 15-minute walk after a meal can reduce bloating, improve blood sugar levels, and stimulate intestinal contractions, also known as peristalsis. Let's not forget the role of stress. Your gut and brain are directly connected through something called the gut-brain axis. When you're stressed, your brain sends signals that can actually slow down or disrupt digestion. You might feel cramps, heartburn, or nausea. That's why stress reduction techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness are not just good for your mind, they're essential for your gut. Even practicing gratitude before a meal can shift your body into a more relaxed, digestion-friendly state. Now, be mindful of common digestion disruptors. Processed foods, excessive sugar, alcohol, and fried items can irritate your digestive system. So can eating too fast, overeating, or eating too late at night. Instead, try eating smaller, balanced meals more frequently. Include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber in each meal. Avoid lying down right after eating. Wait at least 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. One simple yet powerful tip is to start your day with warm water and lemon. This helps stimulate digestion, hydrate your body after sleep, and gently wake up your digestive tract. It's a small ritual that can have big results. And don't ignore your body's signals. If you feel full, stop eating. If you're hungry, eat mindfully. Listen to your body instead of watching the clock or counting calories. Finally, if you're experiencing frequent heartburn, constipation, or other digestive issues, it might be a sign of an underlying problem like food sensitivities, IBS, or an imbalance in gut bacteria. Don't be afraid to consult a health professional if symptoms persist. So there you have it, natural, science-backed ways to improve digestion and feel your best from the inside out. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you.